Regular property inspections and proactive maintenance are essential practices in apartment investing that help identify potential risks, ensure tenant safety, and maintain property value. Conducting routine inspections enables small apartment investors to detect and address maintenance issues promptly, preventing minor issues from becoming costly repairs and reducing the likelihood of safety hazards or code violations. A proactive maintenance program supports tenant satisfaction and reduces potential liabilities, contributing to the property's long-term success. Key concepts in regular property inspections and maintenance. The importance of regular inspections. Risk identification. Inspections allow for early identification of safety hazards, structural issues, and maintenance needs, reducing the risk of accidents or property damage. Compliance with regulations. Routine checks help ensure the property complies with building codes, safety regulations, and local ordinances, minimizing the risk of fines or legal issues. Enhanced tenant satisfaction is, well, all about promptly addressing maintenance needs and maintaining clean, safe common areas. This not only improves tenant satisfaction and retention but also contributes to stable occupancy rates. Key areas and components for inspection. Common areas include hallways, stairwells, parking lots, and recreational spaces. Inspect these areas for cleanliness, lighting, and safety hazards. Clean, well-maintained common areas create a positive tenant experience. Regularly check essential systems such as HVAC, plumbing, and electrical systems for signs of wear, leaks, or malfunctions. These systems impact tenant comfort and can lead to major repairs if neglected. Examine the roof, exterior walls, windows, and foundations for signs of damage or weathering. Structural integrity is essential for tenant safety and long-term property value. Inspect safety features like smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, fire extinguishers, and emergency lighting to ensure they are functional and up to code. Developing a proactive maintenance program is essential for ensuring the longevity and efficiency of your property. By anticipating and addressing potential issues before they become major problems, you can save both time and money in the long run. Regular inspections, routine upkeep, and timely repairs are the cornerstones of a successful maintenance strategy. So let's dive in and explore how to create a program that keeps everything running smoothly. Scheduled maintenance tasks are essential. Plan regular activities like filter changes, gutter cleaning, and system inspections. These tasks help prevent deterioration and extend the lifespan of building systems. Preventive measures are crucial. Take steps to address minor issues before they escalate. This includes sealing small leaks, securing loose handrails, and clearing debris from drainage areas. Maintenance records are invaluable. Keep a record of inspections, repairs, and maintenance tasks. This helps track recurring issues, identify patterns, and prioritize resources. Plus, documentation provides valuable information for future maintenance planning and supports compliance with regulations. Here's an example. Performing regular inspections of common areas, building systems, and structural components allows property managers to address minor issues early. This reduces repair costs and potential liability for tenant injuries.